Here is interesting trending app, Boss Revolution calling app. So let's just install it. Yeah, and it's one of the most popular apps out there. With this app, you can save up to 90% on high quality international calls to family and friends. Receive free secure calls and messages from other Boss Revolution customers. Stay in touch with friends and family around the world with the new and improved Boss Revolution app. Make cheap and crystal clear international calls with the most innovative technology. So there you have it. So when you go here, you can just easily create an account. It's possible to enter any phone number, so it's not only US. And then you can just tap verify phone number, and then basically then you can just receive some and yeah, so there you have it. And then you can just then you're just entering the app. So yeah, that's basically how it looks like. You can add funds in the app. You can call anyone in your book. You can make a call from dial pad. Add funds in the app, so you can just add literally funds from your card number. You can just enter also expiration code, CVV, postal code. So that's what you can do. Just dial here, call to any contact, and these are like the main features here. Also, you just have like some radio and stuff like that. I don't know what that is. Some videos, promotions, unread. So then you can just see some international rates. Like for example, you can see how much how much you need to pay to call anywhere. So again, if I need to call to United Kingdom, it will be like 1.5 cents per minute. On Seller, 5 cents per minute. Seller Premium, 25 cents per minute. You can see how rates are calculated. 1 minute rounding, total cost of each call rounded to next full minimum currency unit. So you have that. Notification, funding history. So that's basically the idea. You can start the conversation. I think you can message, and then you can just recharge easily just with your credit card. So there you have it. Then you can change your name. You can change profile picture. You can change chat color. So yeah, that's what you can do here. You can also set auto recharge. So that's basically the idea. Invite friends, send invite now. So you can, for example, send invite now and then just invite some of the friends here. There is some support. You can reach out to support. If you just tap contact, you can just email them. So yeah, that's basically that. It's kind of cool app to make these international calls. Of course, there are many alternative apps like Skype, like Viber, many of those. There are specific apps, and then but this is one of the top apps out there. So try it out definitely.